What's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make my DIY hair mask. My scalp gets really dry in the winter and my hair at the ends, I don't know if you guys could see, but they are frazzled. They just need some serious TLC. So I'm going to show you guys how I make my hair mask, and then I'm going to show you what my hair looks like afterwards. Okay, so now that we have our mask all done, I'm just going to wet my hair a little bit and then just lather this on. It really does not smell good. Ew. I look ridiculous. Oh my God. I literally look insane. Beauty is ugly sometimes. So now I'm just going to make sure that everything is like lathered up. Just gonna add a little bit extra to the ends and all that. Then I'm just going to like do one of these sort of things and then just clip it right here. Just wash my hands. I literally have avocado all over my shirt. Disgusting. Well, on my shirt, on my forehead, all over the place. But it is going to be worth it. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this in for about 20 to 30 minutes, maybe longer, I don't know. I'm gonna go make some dinner real quick. Then I'm going to hop in the shower. I'm just going to shampoo and conditioner as usual. And then I'm going to show you guys what my hair looks like fresh out of the shower, all wet. I'm gonna brush through it so you guys could see. And then I'm going to blow dry it and style it and all that. And then you guys get to see what it looks like in the end. Okay, so I'm out of the shower. I haven't brushed my hair yet. So it's still in this little twisty. I'm just gonna brush it now. But it is so soft already, like, oh goodness. And it smells really good, but that's because of my shampoo. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how to pronounce it. I think it's like Oe. I don't know, I'll show you, hold on. It smells so good. It smells kind of like that Amazing Grace perfume. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. But as you can see, my hair is like really easy to brush right now. Just goes in perfectly smooth. Absolutely love it. And I'm going to go blow dry it real quick and then I'll show you guys what it looks like once it's all styled and dry. Alright guys, so I'm all done with my hair. It is super soft and really shiny. I don't know if you could tell, but it looks really shiny to me. But it's so soft and my scalp feels really good. It doesn't feel like itchy or irritated or anything. And sometimes, especially like when it's really, really cold out, my scalp gets really dry and it starts to get irritated and almost get like red patches on it. And this definitely helps soothe my scalp. So I definitely think that you guys should try it out. I didn't blow dry my hair on camera just because I figured that it would be a lot to watch and kind of repetitive. So I just wanted to show you that I got this new Revlon like spin brush thing and I absolutely love it. I only use the hair straightener now to like do these little pieces right here just because they're kind of annoying. But this is the bomb. So I was able to blow dry my hair like this just with that brush and it's pretty awesome. Show you guys again. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this DIY hair mask. If you do, let me know down in the comments below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!